So now I'm going to demonstrate the 1-2-3 combo. Your jab, your cross, your lead hook. One of the most important combinations in fighting. And when you're throwing a 3-punch combination, you have to be extremely skilled to pull this off. I don't like going much over 3 or 4 techniques in a row because your opponent has too much time to counter. So let's go over this technique move by move. Jab, pulling, cross, pulling, lead hook, back. Finishing the technique strong. Watch my legs on this. Slight hip, okay? My hip is turning, back, pulling, hip turning, back. Make sure that you're not doing this. I see people on the pads, leaving openings the whole time, okay? Everything back, okay? Everything back. I want my body to move as one, okay? The jab, the cross, the hook. Keeping everything tight, chin down. Jab, cross, hook. Slow, jab, cross, hook. Chin down the whole time, absorbing damage if I do with the top of my head. It's better to learn the move correct than to throw sloppy combinations, okay? This is the same thing I talk about all the time. Minimize your mistakes. Minimize the opportunities that your opponent has to counter you. So just get the technique nice and solid, okay? So that's the 1-2-3 combo, one of my favorite combos. We're going to go a lot more into this combo later. It's just important to just get the very basics of this technique down.